Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a viewpoint because perspective defines the 3D illusion. Mark a horizon and one vanishing point. This orients every edge. Now draw a center line and sketch a simple Y skeleton with a straight stem and 2 arms. Once done, offset each stroke to establish consistent thickness. Use 0.5 to 1 centimeter on paper or set a 10% stroke width in your app. Make sure proportions feel balanced before moving on. Since corrections are harder later, you now extrude the letter to create depth. Copy the front-facing outline and shift it slightly toward the chosen depth direction to make a back face. Connect corresponding corners with straight guidelines aimed at your vanishing point. Those lines define the 3D edges. Once connected, trim overlaps so faces meet cleanly. Make sure interior angles stay consistent. Misaligned edges will break the illusion. If working digitally, use snapping. On paper, use a ruler for crisp connections. You finish by refining line work and adding lighting so the Y reads as solid. Darken outer edges a bit to ground the shape, then fill each visible face with a flat mid-tone. Once done, add subtle shading toward the receding edges and paint a cast shadow aligned with your light source. This sells the 3D effect. If something looks skewed, stop and recheck your vanishing point alignment, then redraw the single offending edge rather than reworking the whole letter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.